Deleting transactions on Bank of America is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, by following these simple steps, you can delete transactions on Bank of America. So make sure you follow this process stepwise. Next, from your banking, select the bank account which you use for making transactions. Now, go to the Activity tab. Here you need to check the box present left to the transaction which you need to delete. Then from the toolbar, click on More. So go on to remove the cleared status. Here, once again, check the box that is present left to the transaction which you wish to delete in the toolbar. Therefore, tap on the Delete button in order to delete the Bank of America transaction. Let's see how to cancel a processing transaction on Bank of America. Go to the official website of Bank of America. So enter the online ID of your Bank of America, then input your passcode in the red box. Here, next step is to open an account at Bank of America. Then tap on Information and Services. Next, go to the Dispute a Transaction tab. Select the statement period in which the transaction that you want to cancel took place. Now click on Next, then click on Continue. Last but not least, follow the prompts in order to cancel the processing transaction on Bank of America.